भेटत नाही. आमची व्यवस्था करा एवढी पाणी, दुसरं काय पाहिजे मला.
या गावात पाण्याचा एकदम दुष्काळ आहे. पाण्यासाठी आम्ही जंगलानं वावरानं फिरतो, पण आम्हाला पाणी सुद्धा भेटत नाही.
गावामध्ये पाण्याची सोय झाली, भरपूर पाणी भेटते आम्हाला.
आमच्या गावात जे जंगलानं वावरानं फिरावं लागत होतं पाण्याकरता, ते आता बंद झालं. आता गावातल्याच विहिरीचं पाणी काढून आम्ही घरी आणत असतो.
Our team adopted Reach to Valley approach for soil water conservation in this project. As a result, villagers are not only getting drinking water but have been taking rabi crop after many years. Farmers have adopted horticulture plantation. Sericulture has also been successfully introduced. The team have taken special effort for promotion of animal husbandries and efforts are yielding very good result. Additional efforts have been taken for building school infrastructure, and as a notable outcome, grades are improved for rural students. More than 100 SHGs are promoted and micro enterprises are also doing very well in this project area. We are thankful to SDFC Bank CSR team and villagers across the project area for their continuous support to Krushi Vikas.
HRDP, or the Holistic Rural Development Program, is one of the flagship programs of HDFC Bank Parivartan. Parivartan being the flagship under which the bank undertakes its social initiatives. When we were actually doing a needs assessment in Maharashtra to work in certain blocks, one obvious area of discussion was whether there is a need to work in Jalgaon. When one looks at Bodhwad in particular, you will see that the entire area is rain-fed. When we actually visited this area, we found that there was a dire need for working on water issues. I think about close to 5 to 6% of the land only was under irrigation, and the immediate need was to organize or to ensure there is adequate drinking water for the families, and then move on to on how to increase the capacity, the storage capacity in these villages to provide for agriculture. In addition to that, we started working on various interventions for agriculture. This entire area had not seen horticulture earlier. Horticulture was something that was actually introduced in the area, and we have a substantial amount of families now that are actually engaged in practicing horticulture. We have increased the actual water storing capacity in that area. Close to about 528 hectares of additional land can be irrigated actually with the amount of water water storing capacity that has been created through these various structures, and the groundwater level in these areas is also improved by close to 2 meters. So holistically, if you see, there's been a successful intervention in these areas with regards to water, and eventually we've also seen that because of that, the overall income of these families which are engaged in agriculture and various allied activities has also increased. 3 villages out of these 10 that have got the Smart Gram award, and Krushi Vikas themselves have got the award for the best implementation, NGO implementing CSR activity. And that really talks about the amount of effort that has gone by the organization to actually implement this particular program in Bodhwad and ensure water sustainability for the community.